The chocolate scrub, it's most popular treatment in our spa. It's romantic, and that's what we're using mostly on the Valentine's Day.
So Margarita, tell me a little bit about the treatment we're going to be seeing today.
Okay, today we're going over for the body chocolate scrub and followed by the body rub. But let's go over the body scrub. The body scrub is very well known, good for exfoliating the dead cells from the body surface and at the same time make the skin shinier, healthier, and smoother. It's most popular treatment in our spa on a Valentine's Day.